Welcome back to class everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Prem Achievers EduVision. We will cover everything you need for the exam. Let's get started right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about carbon. It forms the basis of all life. Today we are going to explore the element carbon. It is the basis of all known life. Notice its 4 valence electrons. This allows it to form stable bonds. It's truly a remarkable atom. Today we will look at carbon's arrangement. Notice the first shell has 2 electrons and the outer shell contains 4, making its configuration 2,4. Today we will explore covalent bonding. Atoms share their electrons. This creates a strong chemical bond. Carbon atoms can join together to form long chains. Depending on how they connect, we get different structures like diamond, graphite, and fullerene. Today we will discuss hydrocarbons. Saturated ones have single bonds like methane. Unsaturated have double or triple bonds. This changes their chemical properties completely. Today we will explore organic chemistry. We start with alcohol and aldehyde, then move to ketone and carboxylic acid. These structures form the basis of life. Today we will look at ethanol. And here we have acetic acid. Watch how they react together. Let's explore combustion. Oxidation involves electron loss. Addition breaks double bonds. Substitution swaps atom groups. Soap is formed by reacting a fat with an alkali. This process is called saponification. Each molecule has a hydrophilic head forming what we call a micelle. Please like, subscribe and share.